So hello and welcome my friends. I am your Sandeep sir and you are watching your YouTube channel Humanity Tutorial by Sandeep sir. Today I am going to share you some interesting matters from ground zero level, because I am telling it because the ground zero level, because in this medical industry, in this hospital industry, I am belongs for last 35 years. And I am imparting medical education to my students for over than 20 years. So today I am going to share some high income professions other than MBBS. That is, the MBBS is very tough to get a seat in MBBS because NEET aspirants per year, all of you know that NEET aspirants per year is about 16 to 70 lakhs. Whereas for the government college seats is only 20 to 25,000. For you are hungry about it, and today till date now NEET examination is not held because of the corona pandemic, and when it will be held, all the results will come, it shall be very late for you. So my friends, so my dear friends, share this video with your friends for their future also, not only your future, and subscribe this channel for your early notification in your mobile. So today's topics is the high income career options in medical, other than MBBS and BDS. So here is the course name, providers, fees, job, profit percent. Now what is I am telling you about to become a independent, professional, so that you can get a highest profit percent. And now just look at back whatever you have studied in your class 8 or 9th level. What is the profit percent? Profit percent is the total charges that is you have taken from the patient as a service charge, not I am telling your monetary charge. It is your service charge, that is the service charge you have taken from the patient. So the service charge divided by the service charge minus your establishment cost, whatever your that is the shop or the house you have rented, its decoration, its electricity, plus the machines you have purchased or take in rent. So the machines always covers with AMC, that is annual maintenance contract, for the health of the to preserve the health of the machine. And there is the plus your upgradation, up to date updatation or upgradation like your mobile phones, plus commission, some points. You may have to give some commissions in some points in some profession, not on in this all professions. And the salary, whatever, if you have an assistant or some Safai Karamchari, so his salary, so that from the service charge this amount shall be deducted, and into 100% is your profit percent. And now the provider, the eligibility for the diploma courses is 10th or 12th pass for the private institutions, and for the state government institution, that is 12th science, that is that may be of your state, that is state medical council or state paramedical council or state allied health councils, like that, whatever the name is there. For the and the diploma courses is for 4 to 5 semesters are there, and in the degree courses there may be 6 to 7 semesters. So the degree courses for the state health universities requirement is 12th science, that is physics, chemistry and biology combination, and the government, other government and private universities allow the CBE personnel, that is the chemistry, biology and English, or PCM, that is physics, chemistry, maths plus biology as an additional plus English as per their requirement. So it is other than the state government, if it is the other government or private university colleges or so you must go through the AICTE approvals, that is All India Council for Technical Education, or the respective state council technical education approval is for good enough. So now I am just put it in a reverse manner. In the number 6 there is the prosthetic and orthotic. For this course I have proposed to do the degree course. In the industry they are known as the prosthetist and orthotist. In my early video I have told about this, that the prosthetic is the artificial device that replaces a missing body part. Like somebody undergone for his knee operation, that is the patella is replaced. If somebody undergone for heart operation, his heart valve may be replaced, or like that the limbs that may be missing or lost for the disease conditions or traumatic conditions, or like any congenital things. So these prosthetics and orthotics has a good validation in this industry, and their fees is I have written here. So the profit percent is a great profit percent, 50 to 60% is their profit level, whereas the job prospect is very low, that is 0 to 0.5. That is, you may assume that for every 2000 patients there may be a prosthetist in a hospital 1, that is per 2000 patient. So per 2000 patient bedded hospital. So their main job in the rehabilitation centers, and they are maximum working as a entrepreneur or a individual independent professionals. Now for the dental mechanics course, there is in the dental category there is 2 courses. The one is the dental hygienist course. Dental hygienist, that person who can do the scaling of the teeth, the polishing of the teeth, and can give advice only to the patient for their dental health only. So there is very little job prospect, but the dental mechanics have high demand in the market. Dental mechanics, for that the diploma course is only available in India, that may be approved by the dental councils. They are known as in the industry as the dental technician. Their profit percent is 60 to 65%, and this is their job prospect is very low. Per 10,000 patient bed is hospital is there, only 1 can be recruited. So their job prospect, you can assume that nil is their job prospect, but they can practice as an individual with high level of profit. And the dental mechanism is also called in medical term, that is prosthodontics, because this dental mechanics making teeth, or that is also replaces a missing body part. So medically it is called prosthodontics. So all of you know that many people in their old age have to replace their teeth. So their dental mechanics has a high demand in the market. In the number 4, that is the audiology, or somewhere it is called audiology and speech language therapy. For this course my proposal is to do the degree course, because this is a very vast subject. Audiologists, they are known as audiologists or speech therapists. Mainly these speech therapists are recruited in the schools of mentally retarded people, the mentally retarded children who have studied in this school. In that schools, the speech therapist is recruited in a high proportion. Their job prospect is good, 1 to 2, whereas their profit percent is also good, 40 to, that is quite half of that. there is profit percent. And the audiologists also are the authority to set the earphone of the dumb people, because it is not like that it is just you put a earphone and listening songs from your mobile. This audiologist also has a great duty to adjust that earphone to that dumb people. So next is in the number 3 is that physiotherapy. For the physiotherapy, my proposal is you can do anything, either diploma or degree. Nowadays there is physiotherapy council in India, so it is good if it is approved by the physiotherapy council. They are in the industry known as the physiotherapist. Their profit percent is highest in this field, in this medical field, that is 70 to 80%, because the physiotherapy instruments, that is the machines, is not updated regularly and their machine cost is very low, so their profit percent is very high and their job prospect is also good, that is 3 to 5. For the pharmacy diploma course, my proposal, if you are residing in a countryside, it is the best for the pharmacy diploma. With this diploma, you can open your shop, medical shop, or you can practice in the remote villages as a pharmacist who can give medicines to the patients. And of course their education cost is very low, very low, most low in this category. That is in the government, that is 2 to 5,000 per semester, whereas in the private that is 30 to 60,000. Their profit percent is also good, that is 20 to 35, that is about one third is the profit percent, and prospect is that 12 to 18 per 1,000 patients, so they can get job in this number. And in the top, that is the medical lab technology, my proposal to do the degree if you going to open your own laboratory. You should have a degree, that so you can interpret every results. So this degree course can provide you a good base for you. So they are in the industry, they are known as the medical laboratory technologists. They have a good profit percent, that is 40 to 45%, and they have also a good prospect in the industry as a job seeker, that is 50 to 60 per 1,000 patient. So your tutorial is MLT tutorial by Sandeep sir. Kindly share this video to your friends for their purpose also and for your purpose also. So till my next video, that is very lucrative topic, I am coming with my very lucrative topic in my next video. So until